Hello, welcome to week 4. Almost there. But anyways, as you saw in the beginning intro of the video, they were drilling out the front window, and as you see right here, this is now the side door, all redone so that it could be a new window. Walking through, they're going to be doing installation this week. All of the flooring is completed. As you saw last week, I installed plywood flooring, and then they covered it. And then what you see in front of you is the bathroom. So they got the bathroom completed so that it was waterproof in time for the tilers to install all my beautiful tile in the bathroom. What you're also seeing this week is insulation in every single room. So that's what they're slowly working through from the front to the back of the house. Right now, the back of the house does not have any insulation. Now, this is like the 4th week. So I don't know if you can see, some of the outer walls have what is it, insulation in it. I just wanted to walk through the place with nobody here. So this is my room. Luckily I'm putting shiplap all over the walls in here. That should be going away because everything should go underneath. So we still have some more left over, and this is what the closet looks like after it was taken out. All right, continuing in here, all that is insulated, and the bathroom, all the towel work is done, which that looks fantastic. Especially, you can't see it, but there is gold. That is gold. It's coming off silver. It's weird. There you go. You can kind of see. But they have to put the grout in, and you have to like stand in the shower so you can kind of see. You can see a little bit better on this side, and then it's around the sill of the window as well. That looks really good. Looks good. All right. So that's the bathroom. And then the last bedroom. It looks like we kind of just stopped. But we got insulation in. It looks like we still got to finish up insulation. There's insulation right here. Okay. So that is it. Okay, so now they're put the party back or whatever that is for the waterproofing for the floor so I can get ready for the towel. As you see, all of the walls have finally been insulated, so that's good. I've also marked off where I want to put my kitchen island. So I'm making my own kitchen island, and that's where I kind of did the dimensions to try to figure out where I'm going to put everything. And then now you're looking from the front to back of the house. As you see, everything is insulated. One mindful trick is that you do not want to put all of your appliances in one room. This was a mistake because once they put the door on, we could not get out my appliances out of the bedroom. So that was definitely a oopsie. So if you're going to do anything out of order, just don't do that to yourself. Another thing that you'll probably notice is that another thing that we did was we did a lot of the work without having windows. What I would highly recommend is that you just buy windows that are in stock. What you see right now is the completed flooring. I did the flooring myself. I just didn't want to do the shower walls because that's a little bit more difficult, but I love the outcome of this. You can see this video. It is on my YouTube page, so just go and click on that link.
Some more. It's just to be safe.
Yes. And they have the pins holding this up.
Well, actually, it's a good thought because it packed it so it didn't put any boards against the unit.
That's very.
So, but you imagine the guy. You want to go get some diapers from the store for packing?
I think they probably already had it. So they probably just grabbed
they
it.
ship diapers and fridges. And they're like, oh, we ran out.